Alright, so I want to show you guys how to do a litany poem. And the first thing you need to do is read Litany poem or Litany by Billy Collins. Um, Pretty much, I mean, without spoiling the whole poem, I'm going to go ahead and say it. It uses metaphors out the wazoo to express frustration with somebody. Um, I'm not going to read it to you word for word, but the link is on the assignment. Um, It says, "You are the bread and the knife, the crystal goblet and the wine. You're the dew in the morning grass and the burning wheel of sun." So they kind of spend time building them up, and then they kind of tear them down. And it kind of says, "You are not the one in the orchard, the plums on the counter, or the house of cards. And you are certainly not the pine scented air. There's just no way that you are the pine scented air." And it kind of goes through it. You need to read it. And it kind of reads like an argument, like that an adult would be having with their child, like a teenager, like when your parents fuss at you for because you didn't clean up the house or you didn't vacuum the carpet or whatever, and it kind of goes back and forth like that. It's a fun read. Um, but when you guys go to write this, what we did in class was we imagined four people. We wrote down our frustrations about them, kind of like as a pre-write activity. And I took those frustrations. I just kind of made something up. Half my thing is off the screen, so let's see. There we go. That should help you a little bit. All right, so the only two rules you got for a litany poem is it's got to be 30 lines, and you got to use your metaphors to express your frustration, or I put our frustration. Um, Make sure you never ever put that person's name because you want it to be vague and anonymous. So, um, when I wrote mine, I said, "You're the pumpkin king, and you're the knife in my rib. You're the alarm clock that never stops. You're the Instagram follower that never likes my posts." And then, I went on to say, "You're the ice cream machine at McDonald's that never works. You are a cottonhead Ninny Muggins," which that's right, allusion to Elf, the movie. If you've never seen that movie, what are you doing with your life? You need to watch that movie. You're the one ply toilet paper in the bathroom at Sonic. You're the mushrooms on the pizza that no one wants. So you can tell that, like, I'm taking stuff that we can all relate to, that we get aggravated with, and kind of comparing that person with those people in my head to that. And I jump back into who I am. I kind of say I'm the roof over your head. I'm the dustbuster dealing with your dirt. Um, I go back and I say you're a broken down tractor. You're a leaky sink. Um, you're the order of Burger King they just can't get right. You're the toilet that never flushes. And shout out to Landon there. You're on the orange hat on Landon's head. I think Landon was wearing a yellow orange hat that day. Um, so I kind of go through and I just have fun with it. 30 lines. I'm using metaphors. Like I said, you're going to mimic the 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 same way that Billy Collins creates his metaphors and litany. Okay. And like I said, when you read it, make sure you read out loud like you're having an argument with someone because that's when it gets fun. Got any questions? Send me an email later.